Good morning, student. Now, again, we are here for sources of business finance part third. Means there are some remaining sources of business which will be discussed in this video. International financing. What is the meaning of here international financing? In earlier videos, we discussed the financial aid provided by the domestic institutions. Clear? Means commercial bank, financial institutions which are stabilized by the state government as well as center government. These are the especially stabilize these organizations for development of an industry in the country. But there is a main important role of international financing also. What is the role of international financing? For example, if any company who want to expand their business on a world level, means for example Reliance Industry want to expand the business in America, in Africa, in British, in European countries like that. So in this situation, Reliance Industries need a lot of foreign currency, also need a lot of technical advice, because Reliance Industry are un aware about the rules, regulations, laws of the foreign countries. So in that time, in this situation, Reliance Industry approach the international financial institutions, and such institutions provide the financial fund, financial assistance as well as financial advice to the industries like Reliance, MNCs, other companies. Na? So in international financing, there are many international sources from where Indian company generated the funds, which are given below. जैसे from international commercial bank like Standard Chartered Bank, SoftBank, etc. International agencies and development bank like IFC, International Finance Corporation, ADB, Asian Development Bank, Export Import Bank, etc. International capital market. So now we are broadly discuss here what is the meaning of international capital market, what is the meaning of here capital market. So capital market is just like a market. Capital market क्या होता है? It's just like a market in which securities are purchased and sale. What is the meaning of securities here? Security means shares, debenture, preference share, etc. So in international capital market, we following instrument are used, which is given below. जैसे GDR means Global Depository Receipt, ADR American Depository Receipt, IDR Indian Depository Receipt. The process of all these three instruments are just like a same. Global depository issued means if our Indian company want to purchase the shares of a foreign company, the first of all company have to itself listed in the foreign country stock exchange, appoint a depository recipient, overseas depository, make a contract with that company, and that company give a help to purchase the that company have to give the that company provide help to purchase the shares of the foreign company. No? Means GDR, ADR, IDR, these are the sources which provide foreign company, which provide international organization, which provide help to international organization for raising the money from international market. Is it clear? So now in next slide we discuss global depository receipt. What is the meaning of GDR? GDR is an instrument in which a company located in domestic country issue one or more of its share or convertible bond outside the domestic कंट्री. हम इसमें क्या करते हैं जीडीआर में कि एक डोमेस्टिक कंट्री क्या करती है, एक से ज़्यादा शेयर या कन्वर्टिबल बॉन्ड्स को जो दूसरी डोमेस्टिक कंट्रीज होती है, जो आउटसाइड प्रेजेंट होती है कंट्री से, उनको इश्यू कर देते हैं. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ जीडीआर. तो व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ जीडीआर? जीडीआर प्रोवाइड एक्सेस टू फॉरेन कैपिटल मार्केट. हमें एक रास्ता मिल जाता है फॉरेन कैपिटल मार्केट में को अप्रोच करने का। GDR कैन बी फ्रीली ट्रांसफर्ड, इसको हम फ्रीली ट्रांसफर भी कर सकते हैं। GDR इंक्रीज द शेयर होल्डर बेस ऑफ द कंपनी, GDR से क्या होता है, कंपनी का जो शेयर होल्डर का बेस होता है वो भी इंक्रीज हो जाता है। What are the disadvantage? Violating any regulation can lead to serious consequences against the company. For example, I am the owner of the company, or I want to raise the money from America, or if by mistake my company violate any rules, any regulation made by the American stock chain, in that case company have to face a severe condition. ठीक है, severe condition means company have to face a criminal cases या forgery cases like that. Next, dividend are paid in domestic country currency which is subject to volatility in the forex market. फॉरेक्स मार्केट का मतलब क्या होता है कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने कोई GDR इश्यू किया है तो मैं जो डिविडेंड पे करूंगा वो डोमेस्टिक कंट्री की करेंसी में पे करना पड़ेगा। और सबको पता है कि नाउ दिस टाइम फॉरेक्स एक्सचेंज मार्केट इज द based on the totally market condition. So sometime there is a value, there is a fluctuation in the value of currency also there. Next, GDR is one of the more expensive source of the finance. एक बहुत ही बड़ा expensive source होता है finance को raise करने का. Next, what are the process of issue of GDR? GDR इश्यू करने का क्या प्रोसेस होता है, जैसे द लोकल करेंसी शेयर ऑफ ए कंपनी, फॉर एग्जांपल ए इंडियन कंपनी आर डिलीवर्ड टू द डिपॉजिटरी बैंक। ठीक है, वो करती है एक डिपॉजिटरी बैंक से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती है। द डिपॉजिटरी बैंक इश्यू डिपॉजिटरी रिसिप्ट अगेंस्ट दीज शेयर्स। डिपॉजिटरी बैंक क्या करता है, एक डिपॉजिटरी रिसिप्ट इश्यू करता है इन शेयर्स के अगेंस्ट। सच डिपॉजिटरी रिसिप्ट डिनोमिनेटेड इन US डॉलर, ये US डॉलर के फॉर्म में होती है, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, GDR, ग्लोबल डिपॉजिटरी रिसिप्ट। GDR इज ए नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है एंड कैन बी ट्रेडेड फ्रीली लाइक एनी अदर सिक्योरिटी, और इसको हम किसी अदर सिक्योरिटी के तरह ही ट्रीट कर सकते हैं। इन द इंडियन क्वेश्चन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल we are discuss here for regarding Indian company, a GDR is an instrument issued abroad by an Indian company to raise fund in some foreign currency and is listed and traded in a foreign stock exchange. For example, Reliance Industry are listed in an American stock exchange and want to raise the money from international capital market. So a holder of GDR, there is even facility of GDR holders also. What is the facility? A holder of GDR can at any time convert it into the number of share इट रिप्रेजेंट। GDR कभी भी इसको अपने शेयर्स में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री इश्यू 1 GDR और 1 GDR इक्वल टू 3 शेयर्स ऑफ रिलायंस कंपनी। तो GDR होल्डर मींस ग्लोबल डिपॉजिटरी रिसिप्ट होल्डर एनी टाइम, ठीक है, कन्वर्टेड its GDR into shares. The holder GDR do not carry any voting rights, कोई voting rights नहीं होते, but only dividend and capital appreciation. बस उसका benefit किस में होता है, dividend और capital increase में। Many Indian companies like Infosys, Reliance, Wipro, ICICI raise money through issue of GDR. Next, American deposit receipt, there is only one difference. If you are raise the money from stock exchange of Japan, from stock exchange of Nepal, from stock exchange of any foreign countries, from other countries, that is known as global depository receipt. But if you particularly raise the money from the American market, that is known as American depository receipt. It is similar to a GDR, it is just like a GDR, but what is the difference, that it can be issued only to American citizen and can be listed and traded on a stock exchange of USA. ये केवल USA में ही आप यहाँ पर इसको ट्रेड कर सकते हो, सेल से परचेज कर सकते हो, फंड्स को रेज कर सकते हो। इन द सेम वे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंडियन डिपॉजिटरी रिसीट, इफ एनी अमेरिकन कंपनी या एनी फॉरेन कंपनी वांट टू रेज द फंड फ्रॉम आवर कैपिटल, from Indian capital market. That company also follow the same process, that is known as Indian depository receipt, or IDR is denominated in the Indian rupees. Next, foreign currency convertible bond. This is also a important international financing source. Foreign currency convertible bonds are equity linked debt security that are to be converted into equity or depository receipt after a specific period. Means ये just like a bonds, ठीक है, and FCCB holder have a option to convert its bond into equity share at a predetermined price or exchange rate or retaining as a bond. ये टोटली ऑप्शन डिपेंड करता है FCCB होल्डर्स पर, ठीक है. द FCCB आर इश्यूड इन ए फॉरेन करेंसी. FCCB किस में इश्यू होता है? फॉरेन करेंसीज में इश्यू होता है. एंड कैरी ए फिक्स इंटरेस्ट रेट, और फिक्स इंटरेस्ट रेट पर इसका पेमेंट किया जाता है, विच इज लोअर देन द रेट ऑफ एनी अदर सिमिलर नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट, जिसका रेट जनरली दूसरे नॉन कन्वर्टेबल लोन से के रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट से कम होता है. FCCB आर लिस्टेड एंड ट्रेडेड इन फॉरेन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. ये भी फॉरेन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में लिस्टेड होती है. आर FCCB आर वेरी सिमिलर टू द कन्वर्टेबल डिवेंचर इश्यूड इन इंडिया. FCCB जस्ट लाइक ए कन्वर्टेबल डिवेंचर्स, means at the time of payment of debentures, at the time of redemption of debentures holder have a option to convert its debenture into new share, new preference shares and new equity share. In the same way, FCCB also have a option to convert its debenture into equity shares. Next, what are the factors affecting the choice of the sources of fund? So a lot of factors are there, just like cost, means if company are able to bear the cost, then company will prefer the equity capital, otherwise company prefer to debt capital. Financial stability of operation also affect the sources of fund, form of organization, purpose, time. There are many factors which affect the choice of sources of fund. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully.